Hello everyone, welcome to the next and more advanced session in our Agent Force upscaling series. Till now we have learned agent prompt engineering basics, prompt builder template, business use case. We have say today we go deeper and we will cover advanced template, flex template, how prompts connect with the flow template, trigger flow. This is why prompt builder become truly powerful because now prompts are not just text generated, they become part of automation as well. Quick introduction again for anyone new joining. My name is Mohit Peshwani. I must work as a Salesforce developer and data analyst. I hold multiple Salesforce and IBM certifications. I am currently pursuing my master in data science and data proficiency. My work mainly focuses on combining Salesforce AI, automation, and data-driven workflows. Today's session we are going to work mainly based on the real platform patterns, not just theory. What is Flex template? This is just a basic thing. Now let's start with something important. Flex template. Most customizable template type in prompt builder provided by Salesforce. We use it when normal templates are not enough. Standard templates like email summary generator field are good, but sometimes business logic is more complex. That's why our flex templates come in. Simple way to remember. Standard templates, ready-made flex templates, build your own. Key capabilities, I can say, let's understand the key capabilities allows us to do. First, full custom prompt structure. You are not restricted to predefined formats. Second, you define your own inputs and outputs. Third, you can connect custom data sources and resources. Fourth, support complex business logic. So this is designed for advanced use cases, especially agent and automation scenarios. Think of it like flow builder versus advanced Apex Flex template in the advanced mode. Now, when to use Flex template? This is just a quick way we are saying. You need multi-step prompt logic. You need custom response format. You want agent action. You have specialized business flows. If your use case is simple, use standard record trigger flow, summary flow, field generation flow. If your use case is complex and need multiple sources which is not related to each other, Flex template is for you. Rule of thumb: complexity high, Flex template. Less complex and straightforward, go with standard one or specialize for that, just like drafting an email. Now, prompt can be triggered from anywhere, we know. We showcase it in flows, Apex, LWC, APIs, and external apps. So, triggering a prompt is flexible. Now, can we add grounding and actions during prompt processing? This is a good question. Now, yes, this is possible. Now, an important concept. Prompts are not limited in one place. Prompt templates can trigger from multiple places. We know that. Now comes the powerful part. Template triggered flow. Can we add additional data and actions while prompt is running? That is make possible using the template triggered prompt flow. Yes, Salesforce allow attaching a flow directly to the prompt builder, which can add additional grounding of the data inside the prompt builder while processing the fee. Inside of that as well, we have a new component which is also run on the top of LLMs, where we can generate actions as well. So it we can want in single memory line. Prompt plus flow is equal to smart AI execution. Now let's demonstrate field generation template, flex template together. Now I personally go to the, so in this org I already have a lot of information. Simply I click here and I will select field generation. Field generation lead information. Instead of lead, let's do something more better. What about file summary generator? and the object we are focusing is on files contact document directly. Intention, you will summarize the details of the files and shared with whom. And before looking at that, as I mentioned, each prompt template has some prerequisite and there are some triggering points. So now I will go to the context. Let's say files. Let's search for files. Content. Hmm. Okay. Let's for take the time being consider. Let's run for case and description. You will summarize the details of the case and next best actions. Generic. Since we are not using anything common here, now what I have to give as well as input is this and field summary generator. Now I will go to the, let's see, I have to go to the case. I open this, going here. I want, hmm, let's go back, let's leave this one. Now prompt builder. Here I will click simply on new field generation, summarize the contact details, provide the contacts related action and its overall timeline based on related task and activities. Let's making it some real time use case. Let's say contact. Let's go to contact. There is a content description we can use. Let's go to the, let's see if we have something called, let's click on setup. I have to click on content manager, contact. Inside contact you have to click contact, then simply go to the fields and summary generation and long text area we want. We already have a description which we can use, so instead of creating contact description is there, I have used it. Now what I want, you will be the timeline summary and engagement generator for contact. Input will be the related records and its all actions, all task and events, all task, let's say all task only. And here, as I mentioned you, we will introduce something called flow. Inside this flow, additional grounding we already know it will cover, but okay, I will take it in a different logic. This is what we wanted, and here I will ground contact, record snapshot, and what will I do? In contact, you will get related list already. So I count contact. Let's see. hmm Okay, let's see. Summarize the contact details, then summarize the task sorted by created or acted date, and is this customer is going to leave in short churn or not. This is what we wanted. This is what I am trying to do. Now we already have added this snapshot. Another thing I can do, okay, inside a flow, clicking here new flow, I am building it and embedding template trigger flow. What I am trying to say, template trigger flow, here the main purpose is to tell you how it understand. If I use prompt template, he can trigger and take the reference from there as automatically and then trigger it, but manual one doesn't matter. Here we are get record for more control on you, get the contact details where it's simply contact. Now here contact id equals new record, variable record id to get the current contact record. Here I will pass record or text, let's say text. Then this is here. Now click here, simply get records. Get records, get all the activities, get all the tasks created in last, created task order by descending. Let's say descending for now. Now here what will I do? Task, added task. Here uh, we know it will be what ID related to record ID, sort order by descending based on the created date, and I want all records. And then what I wanted to do is simply I want automatically store all. Let's say I want this one to be done, and from here what we will do, should I do that? Let's see. I'm taking for now my name. I'm sending to myself, and what to insert. Uh, Here I can add prompt, provide me the list of use uh, task in human readable format. Uh, Summarize This is good for zero prompt technique. Summarize the complete information and task in short along with engagement. Is good or not? Then what I am doing, getting all records right. So hmm, this is what I wanted. Then output from there will be nothing but uh, summarize task for contact. It will come there automatically. Reach text equals to, let's say, true. We can make it false as well, but let it true. Now this is it. This is the what I wanted. Let's save this demonstration of template trigger prompt flow. Here I save this one, activating it. Now since this is going to be triggered from this record trigger flow, I have to save this one first to keep it and refresh the page to get the activated flow. Is it activated? Now it's activated. Knowing the name of the flow, I will click here. You see this flow is coming. Now I add it here. What we can do now, simply taking the contact, right? Since contact is here, will I do save and preview. Gonzalez. Let's click on preview. Now the task and its all related actions. If you want additional grounding, then we prefer to use, you see, these all details are coming from this one, and we can't use any other flow to add additional grounding or send some action. As well as engagement assessment is already showcase. This is the one example where I am trying to showcase you template trigger prompt flow use case, because it's an add-on information which we can use from anywhere and any place. Now I hope you like this one. Now coming to the flex one, but I haven't deployed this one, correct? Now simply first let's activate this one. This is summarize the contact flow. Since Salesforce decided this will be triggered from email field generation, I will go to a contact. Let's go to a contact. I click on a contact. Let's see this one. Go to the details. As I mentioned, prompt template is built on the modern framework, so we have to use Lightning App Builder anyway. And then inside field, what will I do? I know this is already using some standard one. I don't want it to update it. I just created a section adding the description in the side, and here I wanted to add this one on that what. Now I click on this, you will see a description field will be generated, and the analysis of all the task and its related action are coming. When I click here, it will be added, and if I wanted more information, we can still talk. Is engagement is good? what should next action. You can still ask, but it will be hold this current information only. You see, he can provide the recommendation, proactively outreach, because we we haven't connected him since last week or new month. The same way, when we save, you can see this summary has been generated. So this is about field summary generation and template trigger driven flow. Now I have created one of a flow template which generates. Let's see one more use case. Simply going here, prompt builder. Since most advanced prompt and the flexible prompt we wanted is nothing else apart from field generation. And you see now there are a lot of other analysis as well. Let's click on flex. Now flex one, what I wanted. Let's see mm, what we can do in flex. Business interested buyer, interested person reaching out to Mohit Peshwani proposal. This is taking input from business contacts and lead as input. Now I click here, I simply type lead because we are going to access object. Now see, we can access object as well as I want business context, and I can make it optional, and that can be a, we can use data model objects of data cloud as well, which is a semantic layer where we are already processing information from data lake object. Now here I click, it's a free text I want. Next, let's proceed ahead, and you see this is the same thing, there is nothing else. What I will try to do, saving the time, you can use prompt and tell, let's see, I wanted a prompt to give to my Salesforce prompt builder to provide summary in better way. Now here you see the prompt. He has generated the most of the scenario. I just need to copy it, going to the flow. Added, you are a professional sales assistant. Your task is to generate precise form business context. Keep the tone professional and friendly. These are again the guardrails, decision, and write in third person context. Input is the business context, and you see other details are all automatically added. Now, business context is nothing but a, let's see, business context. Okay, let's save this one, and this is it. Now I will show you how I can use this in record trigger flow and screen flow as well. So you will get to know prompt builder can trigger from two different places already. I show you on screen flow. So pop up and record trigger flow, I will show how we are embedding it. And anyways, we are going to see this how we are embedding it as an action in Agentforce. Now let's click on preview, search for a lead. Let's say please Cotton, an amazing opportunity to present Tableau workshop in virtually. This is the option, and I select English, expand prompt. Now since his information will come, Mohit Peshwani is reaching out to, he is the CFO about company. virtual tableau workshop. This is aimed to enhance virtual enhancement and other things. Now generate. Now here you can see I want uh, what I can give. This is generated one. View masked field. You see email has been masked, organization has been masked, per person, and this is all about the security one, which we are going to see in shield as well. This is shield level security and zero copy mechanism. Now let's activate it. Now what I wanted, simply clicking here. Let's go to the home, uh, flow. I hope I have a lead. Let's say lead. This is auto launch flow. I wanted a lead flow, record trigger flow, triggering record trigger. Then lead. I'm taking the context. I hope this will work. Then I don't want any entry point for now. None. Oh, anyway, it's record trigger flow, right? So we don't need any context. We just need to have prompt, and I hope I have activated it. Yes, I have to remember the name and I pass it here. You see, there are two, but I don't want in batch. It can run in batch. For bulk one, this is only applicable for the schedule path and the record trigger flow because it's running in batch by default. Here I want entire lead. Business context, what we wanted to do in triggering record, there is something called description for now, and generate user friendly context, and simply update record, and simply use, we can even record it or summarize it as well. Provide me the updated record. Provide me the updated record in description. We are taking the context from agent and we are updating it. Simply going here description, and output will be prompt response. Saving this, lead business context in humanize in simple manner. You should not name it like this, but just for the sake of understanding, now we are doing it. This is record trigger flow. A record has been created. I want it on created or updated for now, and I will deactivate it afterwards because I haven't added constraints. Now since I have saved it, you are saying it's going to be activated. I go here, I will simply go to the lead, opening the lead. This is a lead, let's say individual freelancing work, let's say to invite Mohit for Tableau workshop virtually. Now when I click here, description should be updated automatically as per the humanized form. See, now Mohit Peshwan is reaching out in Mohit to participate. This is what it is coming, right? So this is approach through which we can use agent form. And second, as I mentioned, we can trigger it based on the screen flow as well. Simply going to the screen flow, and now I mean screen flow means quick action. Simply going to the screen, then screen flow. Here what I meant to do is display text, display text in center. Let's make it before that get record, lead record. Here lead 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 id equal to record id. This is it. Then screen flow. Before screen flow we have to add action. I have to remember the name of the action is, see this is come. Again I will keep the same context, saving the time, it's already taken a lot longer. Same business contact, we want the same as description. Now what, screen flow, inside that display text, and I will make it in middle. Output generated prompt, let's do it in center and bold. And here pop up. For now let's ignore show, this is not also needed. I just wanted this one. Oh sorry, submit. Let's do it for now. Show footer, hide, hide. That's it. One more. Sorry. Display text. I guess this is done. Saving this. Record. Lead. Pop up. Business contacts. Saving this one now. And then let's wait for save. Activate it. And we already see screen flow, it's working now. Main is to show it as a pop-up. To show it as a pop-up, we go to the object manager, lead, inside lead, click on buttons action and layout, click on new action, inside new action go for the flow, lead pop-up proposal, name it like a business contacts, then save it. Now this is saved, we have to simply go to the page layout, inside page layout go to the page, then mobile and actions or quick action as well. Yes, it will only come in pop-up because it's, wait a second, what is the name we have given, business contacts. Simply going here, lead layout, will not see it here because mobile mobile and lightning action you can see. You simply need to drag and drop and save. After that, we have to simply go to the lead, click on gear icon, click on edit page, and simply add that as a quick button. Let's upgrade it as well. Not a problem. Migrate as per this and finish it. Now, as per my understanding, we want business contacts at the top. Here, I save this one, and as it is, let's go back and make it org wide. It's already org wide, not a problem for us. Now, when I click on business contacts, you will see the same flex trigger as a pop-up. Now, this makes our life easy, right? Another one, how can we use flex template in LWC? That for that I am just showing you. I have built something which we are going to see when we are creating some universe sales cloud, I guess. Sorry, service cloud it is. Inside service cloud you will see home page, which is this is the universal home summary generator. Service cloud. Here I am taking a lead. Here whatever, let's say Alan Jones. When I click here, you will see a prompt template is running and summary will be generated. If I go to the Alan Jones, let him process, because more the data, the more the context file it will be. Now sales, I go to the sales, going to the lead. I have to see Alan Jones. This is the Alan Jones. You see, he don't have any file, I guess. This Alan Jones have these three files. So if I search for Alan, you have seen two fields. Here I have three files, and you see this summary generated. This is completely the prompt template use case, and it is summarizing everything. This is the this is the screen flow model. This is a pop-up model. Then you can see, yeah, this is everything advanced we can check from the prompt template flow, as well as in use case itself we will showcase you how you can build prompt template flow or triggering it from Apex class. Thank you.